in Jamaica. Let me give you the room tour. Bedroom, balcony, the garden view. Oh, look at that. Now that is a shower. Wow. Impressive. Good morning from Jamaica and day one of our adventure. We arrived last night at 10 o'clock, took a look around, and today is really our first day here. So we're gonna go out, have some breakfast, and explore the resort. How you doing? Today we're headed to the Cool Runnings boat. We're going to go for a little bit of snorkeling, a little bit of cruising, and then we're going to the Dunn Falls to do a little adventure up there.
This is a party boat. You guys ready to go?
One, two, three, go.
My job is to make sure that you all make it to the top, alive and in one piece. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
Soaking wet trip. No wet, no fun. No wet,
No fun.
no wet,
No fun.
Ready, guys?
No.
Secure your glasses.
Yeah.
So okay, we just finished our tour. We're headed back to the hotel. If you're looking for something to do, excursion-wise, always go with the Catamaran tour because it's a great time. Right? Okay, so this is day 3 in Jamaica, and we are headed to Montego Bay downtown to explore the city and do a little shopping.
And then we are going to the Luminous Lagoon tonight to swim in the radioactive water.
Yeah, so let's go take a look. Let's go. So we have arrived in Montego Bay. the streets of Montego Bay. We got dropped off by our cab from the hotel. And then we started walking the streets, checking it out. And a gentleman came up to us and started being super nice, giving us a little history and showing us around. Turns out it was a bit of a scam because it turned out, well, it wasn't a scam. He showed us around and took us to a few of the places of significance here in Montego Bay. And turns out though, he was just looking, he saw us as marks and he got us. He got us good. But yeah, $20. Trick to the they look at your wrist when you're in a hotel here. You get a wristband for your hotel, and so he just kind of checked out our wrist nonchalantly, and all of a sudden he worked at our hotel and he has a day off, which is it's a good scam. It's a very good scam. We're in a local bus station right now. It takes you buses all over the island. Looks like you can get pretty much everything you need here for your bus trip. Food, clothing, you name it, they got it here. Downtown Montego Bay, what do you think? Kind of crazy, yeah, man. That was trippy, but it was an experience, though, man. Pretty cool. We are about to head out to our second adventure of the day, which is the Luminous Lagoon. It's a night adventure where there's organisms in the water.
Malcolm doesn't want to go and jump in the water because there's bugs.
The whole point of this trip is that the water lights up, and if you go swimming in the water, you light up too. So we'll see how it goes. I might jump in, I might not.
He's gonna jump in.
All right, we arrived at Luminous Lake. There's a bit of a show going on, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. I'm looking at this water right now. It's a great big lake. Tiny boats. Doesn't look very...
Stop. You're doing it.
We will see.
All those people did it. Look at all those people. All those people did it.
We'll see.
Yeah, man, welcome.
Thank you.
Have a good time, guys.
Thank you.
Welcome to your tour, Luminous Lagoon. I'm your captain. My name is Captain Jack Sparrow.
Yes, Jack Sparrow.
All right, Malcolm, you ready?
Let's
All
do
right,
it.
we're going to count to set Malcolm free. After three.
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 Jump, buddy, jump.
So we just did Luminous cruise. I'm not sure if you saw anything, but it was pretty damn cool. 2 thumbs up.
Oh, look at the little one.
Oh my goodness.